Hey everyone, today I thought I'd give you some more live trading on how to trade meme coins properly and how I find a lot of these winners. And the way I do it is by tracking some amazing whale wallets. Now, when you're tracking whale wallets, you can see exactly the coins that they're buying into, exactly when they're selling, just so you have a really great idea of what to do with these coins. Because this coin right here, I ended up riding it all the way from 12-ish K to around this mark right here, and then started selling some, and I started seeing that it was collapsing even more. So the reason why I sold it all at this price, because I'm looking on the 1 second chart. Now when I look at the 1 second chart, and if I start seeing that it's dropping down to a certain level, like these levels right here, and it's struggling to basically keep at that level of price, if I'm not seeing a massive buy-in, and I noticed at this region, I was like, right, well, yeah, let me get rid of it at this point. And the reason why I bought into this token is because I'm looking at the Twitter tracker that you can use with Action Pro in this section right here. So all I was doing was looking at the Twitter section, and I was seeing, oh, so Tucker Carlson has done an interview with Sam Bankman-Fried. Sam Bankman-Fried was the guy who created FTX, and basically when he created FTX, he made a load of arbitrage trading. He absolutely messed up on everything he was doing. The reason why he went to jail is because he basically made money illegally. He was using other people's money to trade with within the terms and conditions. That is not allowed. He even said it in his own platform's terms and conditions that you can't do that. And essentially what he did was made a couple bad trades with this arbitrage trading and just lost everyone billions of dollars. It was the biggest crypto scam in history. Now Tucker Carlson did an interview with him while he's in a jail cell with P. Diddy. So I knew that this was going to be a trending, and it was going to be that someone was going to make a coin behind it. And lo and behold, this Sam Jailman comes up. Now, a couple of months ago, when you were trading meme coins, this Sam Jailman probably would have migrated and went to a couple 100,000 market cap. To be honest, it would have went even further. But with the current market conditions, after the Libra scam that happened a couple weeks ago, after that, it seems like there's not been enough volume in the meme coin space. But there's opportunities to make money like this all the time, every single day. And how I got into this token so early at a 12k market cap is just by using our free Discord tool. You can click the link in our description below and you will find our free meme coin secrets Discord tool. So here you can see it right here, this meme coin secrets free Discord group, and it's got a free wallet tracker inside it that you can go ahead and check out. And what this does is smartly checks all of these massive whale wallets that I've added to it. And essentially, you can see the minute that they buy in, the minute that they sell all these tokens. Now, when I see that on the Twitter alerts, on the Twitter tracker section here, by the way, for Action Pro, you need to trade 5 Sol to get access to this Twitter tracker. And I do recommend it. We have our own free Twitter tracker that you can find here as well, with over 400 accounts on that are all great. But Action Pro are obviously have a lot more than we do, so I've been using that a lot as well. And don't forget that everyone else who's trading meme coins is going to be looking at the same Twitter tracker as Action Pro. Action Pro is pretty much the most popular meme coin trading platform right now, alongside BullX Hypervision. So everyone else is going to be looking at this exact same strategy. So what I've been doing, all I was looking for was just for multiple tweets to come across. This is how you can get into these trending tokens. If all these accounts are tweeting about a certain topic or subject, for example, they were all retweeting the Tucker Carlson interview with Sam Bankman-Fried, and because that is related to crypto, then I knew that obviously people were going to be creating a meme coin behind this topic. I didn't know what level it was going to go to, but because it was a trending topic within the Twitter alerts, I knew exactly that it's going to pump. And this is what it did. It went to $50,000 market cap and then went all the way down. And what I did was sold 25% here, sold 25% there. And then at this point, I was like, right, well, I may as well just get out. But how I found the token was looking at this section right here. And see what you can do. You can see it when the whales are all buying into a certain topic. What I usually do, I can use this Bloom Chrome extension. I've done other videos on this before in the past. You can go ahead and watch if you'd like to. And what you can do with this the minute you click this, then you buy in for whatever amount you customize to. But I've done another video on that, and we're not really going to go in depth into that, but you can use that if you want to, but you don't have to. You can just use Axiom. Now, the way you can do that is by clicking the Axiom link right here, and this will take you exactly to it. Or a quicker way would be to copy the contract address right here, and then go over back to Axiom, and then you will see this section right here. So this was strategic muffin reserve. I'm not too sure why this strategic muffin reserve popped off. Maybe it's something that's being talked about in the interview. I've not watched the interview yet, but obviously it probably is, to be fair. It's going straight to Tucker Carlson's account, so it probably is something to do with what he talked about in the interview. And then this happened as well. So if you're constantly watching the Twitter alert section and have the wallet tracker that we have, the smart wallet tracker right here, then you can automatically tell when a trade is going to do well or not. So this one, 93k market cap there, yeah, Frosty J's, 62k market cap, exactly what I'm talking about. All you've got to do is track the whale movement, and then also track what's going on Twitter. If there's more talk in Twitter about a certain subject, I keep saying it, but I just need to keep on reiterating it to people. The more tweets you see, then there's going to be a meme coin around that subject if there's loads of people tweeting about it. So then you just look over a smart wallet tracker, go, oh my God, yeah. So see, this person bought in actually for SMR at 8.5k market cap. Now, you've got to be quick with this stuff, obviously, but, you know, he bought in at 8k market cap. That's went to its highest at 600k. And then he's just bought into another one right now, so I'm going to buy in for 0.2. Boom. And hopefully we go all the way up. Oh, there's too many bundlers with this one, but it's quite early on in the token, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully it goes to something decent. And he sold it, so we're probably going to sell it as well. But we're out. Now he's back into this new one, E6Y. Probably a Sam Bankman-Fried related token again. Probably not. Let's see. He sold it, so when you see that he sold it, then don't even enter the token. There we go. He's bought a new SBF token. So let's just go for it. It's probably this one. Let's just have a look and see what it does. Probably going to get rugged. But hey, for the video, I'll do it for you guys. Hopefully, we go for a decent one. Keep an eye on it as well. So obviously, he bought in at 7k market cap. We'll see if he sells or not. Oh, there we go. Massive little pump there. And let's just see if it pumps to a decent level. We keep watching it. There's another person, but another whale just bought into it while it was at the 5k market cap region. The dev's just sold. When the dev sells as well, people automatically buy in, and then it's going to pump your bags even more. So we'll see with this token. I don't know if it will pop off to the same level, but we'll just see if these people sell off or not. Yeah, someone just sold off then. Oh, so I can see why this happened now. Apparently muffins are the currency in prison. That's so funny. So he's obviously said something. Apparently he says he shares a prison unit with Diddy. He's been kind to me. So there's going to be like some Diddy related token in a minute, guarantee it. Give it 2 seconds. So there we go. Hopefully you get the idea of this strategy. Keep in mind, guys, if I look at this right now, keep in mind that you're not always going to get some winners with this one. It's only with the ones that are going absolutely crazy and people are talking about. Even then, you could still get into like a duplicate type token that's been, you know, if they've been making loads of tokens around that certain topic, then, you know, you could get into something like that could not be that good.